In Scotland, time is an ingredient, and here it shapes every drop.
A world-class whiskey begins with control, right from the first delivery.
Behind these walls, tradition meets precision engineering.
Every section has one job: protect flavor and repeat it perfectly.
Data guides the process: temperature, pressure, and timing. From grain to glass, each step leaves a signature.
Pure water, clean, cold, and essential.
It starts with barley, checked, measured, and approved. Every load is sampled before it enters the system.
Moisture and cleanliness are tested, no shortcuts.
Uniform grain means uniform extraction later. Approved barley moves forward, cleanly and continuously. Even the air is managed to protect the work. Storage keeps the grain stable until it's needed. It's heavy industry, run with discipline. Feed rate is controlled, so milling stays consistent. From storage to mill, everything is guided.
Before milling, equipment is verified every time.
Milling transforms barley into grist, ready for extraction. Operators confirm the grind by measurement and experience. Speed is tuned to keep the grind uniform.
Protection in place, precision and safety go together.
Grist travels directly to the mash tun, fresh and dry. Now heat enters the process. Grist is fed slowly, so mixing stays even.
Hot water extracts sugars, the fuel for fermentation.
Inside the mash tun, the chemistry begins. The mash becomes a warm, grain-rich slurry. Temperature is held within strict limits. Agitation helps sugars dissolve without damaging texture. Heat rises, captured and controlled. As sugars release, the liquid clears into wort. The grain bed filters naturally, like a living sieve.
Clarity and sugar levels are checked before the next stage.
The wort is cooled, so yeast can survive and work.
Cooling is fast, controlled, and constant. Now the sweet liquid meets yeast. Now this piece. Yeast is dosed precisely. Small amount, huge impact. This is where alcohol is born. Fermentation begins, quiet but powerful. Yeast consumes sugars, releasing heat and aroma. Every bubble signals conversion. Heat is tracked constantly. Yeast is sensitive.
Fermentation is monitored by data and routine.
Materials matter. Each distillery has its own character.
As time passes, activity rises, then calms.
The washer is checked. Aroma, strength, balance.
When sugars are spent, the wash is ready. The wash moves to the still house, where separation begins. Copper weights, built to refine. The first distillation starts with a full charge. Heat rises through copper, removing harshness. Vapors are cooled back into liquid. The first run creates low wines, stronger and cleaner. Now comes the spirit run, where cuts matter.
The spirit safe shows the flow. Nothing is guessed.
Strength is measured continuously.
The cut separates heads, heart, and tails. Only the heart becomes whiskey. Copper shapes the spirit, softening edges.
Cooling locks the character into liquid form.
Collected spirit is held for the next decision. Oak.
Clarity and aroma are checked before filling.
Casks arrive ready, each one a future profile.
Inside the oak, layers of flavor wait.
New make spirit enters oak. This is where time begins.
Sealed and marked, every cask is tracked.
Identity matters. Batch, date, and destination. Now the spirit disappears into maturation. In silence, wood and spirit begin their conversation.
Oak breathes, expanding and contracting with seasons.
Humidity and temperature shape the pace of aging.
Years pass, slowly, deliberately.
Samples are taken to track development.
Color deepens, notes emerge.
Every sample is recorded. Nothing is left to memory.
Different casks build different layers. Sweetness, spice, depth. Casks are maintained. Leaks are prevented.
Some spirit is lost to time. The angels share.
When maturity is right, selected casks are chosen for blending. Movement is careful. Quality must remain intact. Now the final signature is built.
Blending balances many whiskeys into one style.
Texture matters as much as aroma.
Every component is assessed. Nose, palate, finish.
Proportions are refined. Milliliters can change everything.
The blend is rested, so flavors marry evenly.
Time returns again, this time to unify.
Before bottling, the final profile is confirmed.
Now it's ready to become a finished product. Bottles are prepared, cleaned, and positioned.
Filling is precise, level, and speed controlled.
Sealed immediately to protect aroma. Batch identity is applied for traceability. Packaging protects the bottle and signals premium handling.
Pallets are stabilized for transport.
From warehouse to world, logistics keeps quality consistent. A whiskey like this isn't made fast. It's made right, then made unforgettable.